This problem also from Chapter 1, Section 9, and it's also another order of operations problem. It's going to be a complicated problem, but we can look at it together. Please notice this one has lots of activities in it. And also please notice that we have groups of work inside of other groups. And I'm going to copy this one down, and I want you to think about it as I'm doing the copying and see if you can spot which activity we must do first. Okay, so now please notice that you have two overall sets of things here. You have this overall set of activities inside of these braces added to, and this is a plus sign, added to this overall set of activities that are inside of these braces. Then when you come inside of each set of the braces, you have individual work to do. So what I would suggest is let's work on this set of braces, then we'll work on that set of braces, and at the very end we'll have some values to add together. So I'm going to first say just a plus sign here, and I'm going to put my brace here, and I'm going to look at this activity. Now notice, 17 minus 2 times 5. Now what does the order of operations say? Okay. It says to do the multiplying and dividing in order before we do the adding and subtracting. So if you said to yourself, I'm going to say 17 minus 2 is 5, and 5 times 5 is 25, you would be absolutely wrong. Why? Because what we must do first is we must do this multiplication step first. And so what we must have first is 17 minus 10. Minus 10 divided by 11 minus 9, which is what, 2? Okay. Now, 17 minus 10, 7, minus 10 divided by 2, 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, now, let's work our way through this side over here. So now, again, this is not 35 minus 11, which would be what, 24 times 3? This is 34 minus, and do this multiplication first. So this is going to be 35 minus 33 plus, again, this is not 35 minus 3 times 5, which would be 32 times 5. This is 35 minus 15, which was that little piece there in those parentheses, plus 7, which is still in here. Okay, so now let's see, can we make some progress here? Look, so 35 minus 33, I think I can go and do that, and that's going to give me 2, plus 35 minus 15, right, which is 20, plus 7, 2, plus, what's 20 plus 7? 27, and we're getting there. 2 plus, getting a little sloppy on the end here, and I think the answer they're looking for is 31. You ready to try that out? I'm going to leave this exposed here for a second, just in case you did get it right. Then you'll know what the steps were. Okay, you ready to go check it? You ready to check it? I think I am. Let's see what we got here. I think it's 31. Hold your breath. Another well done. Perfect.